I'm John Thomas, a gastroenterology registrar with a keen research interest in inflammatory bowel disease. I'm currently pursuing my PhD as a Chain Florey Clinical Research Training Fellow under the joint supervision of Professor Petter Brodin, Professor Nick Powell, and Dr. Tamas Korsmaros.
So I'm an academic obstetrics and gynecology specialty doctor by background, and I'm particularly interested in the genetic diagnosis of unexplained human infertility. I'm an MRC funded clinical research training fellow here as part of the Chain Florey program, and my work is particularly interested looking at a non-obstructive azoospermia in particular, and why 50% of men that are diagnosed with primary infertility have yet to receive a genetic diagnosis.
So my research explores host microbial interactions and predictors of response to advanced therapies in inflammatory bowel disease. I utilize multi-omics data from patient-derived samples alongside cutting-edge wet lab approaches including human intestinal organoid models with the ultimate aim of advancing precision medicine in inflammatory bowel disease. So the scheme has been instrumental in shaping my clinical academic career. It's provided me with protected time for research, access to a world-class multidisciplinary supervisory team, and an intellectually stimulating environment for translational research and discovery science.
So I'm very lucky to be part of a world-class leading research environment where I'm exposed to a lot of experts, not only in the field of reproductive medicine, but also generally in the field of medical and translational research. I feel that I've been very privileged to be exposed to a wide variety of not only experts, research experts in their field, but also lots of really good pastoral care from these experts, such as from Professor Alt, Professor Dominic Withers and Professor Declan O'Regan, who lead the LMS program. And I feel that the LMS and the Chain Florey program provides me with a really good platform to be able to help a lot of patients, but also do a lot of scientific research.
The scheme has provided invaluable opportunities. Firstly, through LMS courses tailored for its PhD students, I've acquired essential research skills in bioinformatics, statistics, and scientific presentation. Secondly, the scheme has also provided a strong platform for collaboration, networking, and mentorship, particularly at the recent Chain Florey annual retreat. And finally, listening to LMS seminars delivered by world-leading scientists have broadened my perspective in terms of my scientific research, as well as sparked new research ideas and interests.
I was really happy to be able to say that I've been successful in achieving my MRC Clinical Research Training Fellowship, and it's down to the hard work of a lot of people, not just including myself, and they were able to give me a lot of advice about how to structure my application, and were able to give me lots of interview practice as well.
So I think one of the key strengths of the CRTF scheme is that there are no compulsory clinical commitments, but at the same time there's flexibility to incorporate clinical work as required. Since my PhD project involves recruiting patients and collecting patient samples, I've embedded myself within Imperial's clinical inflammatory bowel disease service, where I take part in a regular IBD clinic and endoscopy list, and this has allowed me to maintain and refine my clinical skills whilst also seamlessly facilitating patient recruitment for my research project.
I feel like I'm exposed to a lot of really pioneering scientists, which really inspires me to do as best as I can scientifically for our patients.